All right, we're going to do the last one in the book today, in CAD 66. It's chapter 12, number 5. So let's get started. We got our template open and everything like that, but we've done them differently before. So I'm just going to open file. All right, now I'm going to scroll down. We're going to find 65. That's the one we did last, right? All right, let me choose that. And I'm just going to do a save as. So file, save as, or you can hit Control-Shift-S. Hold all three down at the same time. Save as, and we'll call this CAD66. So I'll just come in here. You can type in the whole thing if you want to, but it's just easier to just do that. All right, now I'm just going to blast that. All right, so that one's gone. Now, let's get on the right plane. And we just start drawing, just like we've been doing. All right, so this looks like it's a 4-inch square with some stuff poking out. So I'm just gonna, well, remember, I like to use this whenever I'm doing these. So 4, 4, 4, and back to the beginning. All right, now in the center of all this is where we got our diameter 3 circles. So come up 2, and there we go. Now, ISO circle, it's going to be axis end. Right click, ISO circle, pick, right click, diameter 3. And there you go. We can erase that helper line. All right, so I'm going to grab all of this. F5, copy, pick, and we're going to drag out. This thing is 1. So 1 inch, and there we go. Now, remember, if you ever pick it, just hold shift and pick it again. We'll delete that line, delete that line, and I'm going to pick this and then trim and get rid of that. All right. So I'll just go ahead and connect here. Spacebar twice. 1, 2. Connect here. And there we go. Now, I know that right down the middle of this, we're going to have a circle. All right, so circle. And it's on radius right now. We're going to set it. We'll just put it in here and go out. All right, now let me trim this side off. All right, so I'm gonna grab this F5. All right, we're going up 0.75. So copy. Just grab right there. 0.75. While we're at it, let's go ahead and do these as well. Copy those. 0.75. All right, now we're going to trim, right? Inline, quadrant. 2, quadrant. Now we can trim this. Now we're going to do the same thing here and come out 0.75 this way. So let's go ahead and get this one. Remember, once again, straight down the middle. ISO circle. And just boom. Trim this off. Now we got to copy it straight out. So we'll F5 to get this thing going this way. Grab all 3 of these at the same time this time. Copy. Pick a point, doesn't matter where, 0.75. And then get your trimming done. Now, these are going to connect. So we can say fillet, right click, radius 0. And we'll connect those. All right, now trim. Let's get our line. Remember, quadrant and quadrant again. And then just delete this line and delete that line. All right, see how it comes out? Looks pretty good. Let me F5 this. Let's go ahead and connect that. All right, so now all we got left is the holes, or the circles here and here. Let's get this one first. All right, send, ISO circle. Grab that, right click, diameter, 0.5, I believe. There's that one. F5 to get on this one and do the same thing. Don't forget to hit diameter. And there it is. Nothing to it. It looks tough, but it's not. All right, get that bad boy centered up. Save it. Cad66. And then print. AutoCAD PDF, monochrome, fit to paper, center the plot. Let's do a quick preview. Yeah, it's golden. All right. And just Cad66 model works. Just hit save. All right, that's got it. We'll see you for, that's the last one in the book. So after this, we're going to go to a different book, and it'll be, you know, applying what you've learned to other stuff. So I'll see you for that one later.